it's your girl Pretty Face Time, and today I am back with another makeup tutorial. So if you are loving this look, definitely stick around so that way you can see. If you are a new viewer, hopefully by the end of this video you will be a subscriber. Now definitely comment down below if you really like this look. I love the Jaclyn Hill palette. It gives me so much life. So if you love the palette and you want to see more looks, definitely comment down below. And again, hopefully after watching this video, you too will be a dope subscriber to my channel. With that being said, let's get straight into it, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the palette we're using is the Jaclyn Hill palette. And the first color I'm going to use is the color Mocha. So now with Mocha, all I'm doing basically is going to blend that color out. I really want that to be a great transfer color. I think that's what it's called. But I really just wanted to go in with a deep brown or whatever, just to bring the green out a little bit more. And I think that color is really, really good. So you just want to blend out, ladies. And the next color that I am going to be using is going to be this Enchanted deep green color. And when I say this palette is super pigmented, guys, it is super pigmented. Like, you don't have to worry about putting any extra concealer on to try to bring the colors out. Like, they just pop on their own. I love, love, love this palette. But this dark green, again, I'm using Enchanted, and this color I'm just going to keep blending out. As you can see the green very, very clearly. Yeah, so we're just going to keep blending out, ladies. Hang on. So now I'm going to take my concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using her in the color Fawn, if anybody is interested. So basically all I'm going to do is kind of create a cut crease type look, just so that way my next color can look really, really good with this dark green color. But yeah, you just want to basically keep putting that concealer on so that way it can blend out, and that way the next color can pop. So now all I'm doing is basically going back in with that Enchanted color to make the outside of my my cut crease just look a little bit more darker. And now I'm just going to blend that all in together so that way they mesh well instead of clashing, because you don't want your colors to clash whatsoever. It's just going to look stupid. Now I'm going to use the color Diva, and when I say I just love this glitter color, like I say, this palette is super pigmented, guys, so you really don't have to really do too much as far as with trying to bring the colors out more, because they just stand out. So now I'm just going to go in and use the color Obsessed. Now I thought this little gem was super, super cute, trying to add a little bit of, sparkle in the creases of my eyes. Now we're just going to take the green, which is that Enchanted color, and we're just going to blend that underneath my eyes just to give it more of a pop, a deep look. I really, really like this effect. I saw somebody else do it, so I wanted to start doing it as well. Now all I'm going to do is take my Maybelline Colossal mascara, and I'm just going to use that on my lashes just to bring them out some more, so that way they could blend in with my lashes. Now I'm going to use the Vegas nail lashes. These lashes are bomb.com. Look at that. So now I'm just going to use my color corrector in LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange, and I'm just going to put these all over my imperfections. Let's just call them imperfections. So I'm just going to basically put these all over my imperfections, all over my dark spots, my acne spots. And of course, guys, you cannot forget that mustache line. We got to get that together, okay? Yeah, we don't want that to see through our makeup. So now I'm just going to basically spray my Mario Bedescu Rosewater spray right over my beauty blender. And I'm just going to blend out that orange corrector concealer. And you just want to make sure that you blend it out, because you don't want it to seep through your foundation. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Airspun powder, and I'm basically just going to put this all over my where I put that color correcting, just so that way it could stay in place. That way it don't have to move And of course, the biggest thing is you don't want it to see through your foundation. As you can see, it's blending out very nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in color 355, which is Mocha. Which is coconut. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. But now I'm just going to blend this all out, all over my face, as you can see. Yeah, I don't know why, but I just love this foundation. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation is one of my favorite foundations. Like, they give me full coverage, as you can see. Like, it's really, really good. So I would definitely recommend this foundation, ladies. Okay, let's get with this look, okay? Because it's coming along, y'all. I'm hype. So yeah, just keep blending out your foundation, basically, until your hands get hot. And that's what you guys are about to see. You about to see me switch it up real quick, because my hands got so tired of blending it out. But yeah, you get the picture. So now I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me press powder, and I'm just going to basically go over my foundation, just so that way it can set and it won't have to look so oily. It could just look like a matte look. So I really, really like that combination. If you guys are interested, you guys can definitely start doing that as well. I'm telling you, it works wonders. So put that all over your face. And now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use her in the color Fawn. And I'm just going to basically get ready to contour. Yes, honey, because we got to put this face together, okay? So you want to make sure that you get them bags up under them eyes, because that's what I got. You want to make sure that you hit that nose, okay? Because we want that contour to set. We want that nose to be snatched. I go above my lip, and I also go on the chin and on my forehead area, kind of like a downward triangle. Yeah, that don't look like no damn downward triangle. But yeah, you get the picture. So now I'm just taking a beauty blender, and I'm just basically blending that concealer out, not too far into my eyeshadow, because again, we want that look to really, really pop, and you don't want the concealer to go straight into your eyeshadow, because then it'll look a hot mess, and that's not what we're looking for. Okay, so yes, you want to just basically blend everything out. You want to blend all of that concealer out. As you can see, the nose is starting to come together. It's starting to form more of a tight nose. Yes, honey, we want that nose to look as thin as possible. So we're just gonna basically blend everything out. I'm gonna go back in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just gonna basically go over all of the places where I put that concealer. So yes, I'm gonna put that under my eyes. I'm gonna make sure that I put that near the nose area, so that way it can look a little bit more snatched. I'm gonna make sure I put that above my lip, on my chin area, and of course I'm gonna also put that on my forehead as well, because those are all the places that I put it. So now I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. cream contour, and you guys already know which one I'm going to use. So I'm just going to basically form my nose. Basically, I just wanted to make it look more snatched. I think this technique works for me. A lot of people do it kind of backwards, where they put the cream contour on first, and then they go in and then they put the concealer on. So it's up to you what you want to do. So now I'm just going to blend everything out. Yes, so that way it can give me more of a defined look, basically. So now I'm just blending that out all over my nose. Yes, because that nose is coming out snatched, honey. You see, you better get into this look, honey. Get into it. So yeah, I'm just basically just keep blending in, ladies. And yeah, I'm so hyped about this look, y'all. It's really coming together. I don't know. Don't y'all get hyped too? I'm hyped. So now, as you can see, I am just going to use that Sacha Buttercup just to give my contour on my cheeks a little bit more of a definition. I want to basically bring that out. I want my cheekbones to look as profound as possible. I don't even know if that was a good word to use. But now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to use the darker color, and I'm basically just going to use that in the upper position, so that way my cheeks can pop a little bit more. I normally don't really use blush like that, but for this look, I definitely wanted to. Now I'm just going around on the frame of my face just to bring that out more. And now, as you can see, guys, it's time to dust off of that, dust that Sacha Buttercup off, honey. Yes. This look is so popping. Like, this look popping, y'all. Am I the only one that be feeling herself like halfway through? I ain't even finished yet, but I'm still like, you know how when your face come out and you like, yes, girl, yes. You be low-key feeling yourself, but then you like, dang, I ain't even put no highlighter on, so I can't be too hype. Now I'm going to use the Milani in the color 100 Molten Gold. And when I say this highlighter is popping, look at that. Look at what? Y'all better shine through it, baby. Shine. Get into the shine. This highlight is so bomb.com. Like I say, you don't have to really go out and spend so much money on great products, because you can find products that are very, very inexpensive. And of course, these products that I'm using, like this highlighter that I'm using, you can find in your local drugstores, like your Walgreens, your Rite Aid, your Walmart, stores like that. But y'all see this highlight though. I know you see this highlight. Look at that highlight. Stop playing with me. Stop playing. Get into the snatch, okay? Yes, get into this snatch. Is you into the snatch yet? Because I'm into it, baby. So now I'm just going to use my Nabi lip liner. And if anybody's wondering, I got these off of Amazon. And don't worry, I will leave the link. I will leave the link down below so that way you guys can purchase your own. It was like a set of 54. So yeah, it was a steal. So I'm just using this in the color brown all over my lips to give that more of a definition. And now I'm going to go in with my Nabi lip gloss. I really don't remember what color this was, but I'll definitely leave the color down in the description box because I don't know what color it was. But for my lips, I'm using a Nabi lip gloss as well. I'm going to use two colors. One is a color Deep Chocolate, and then the other is going to be a pink color. So I'm just going to use the pink to basically bring out the center, and the brown to basically bring out my outer corners, basically. I thought this was a good collaboration with two colors. Like, you really can't go wrong with a deep brown and a pink, a soft pink. Like, they just, these colors together really, really, really turned out well, especially with this green look that I'm doing. So yes, you guys, I'm super, super excited about this look, as you can see. But we got to set it with some Mario Bedescu Rosewater, okay? Yes, y'all, I'm hyped. Okay, love, so unfortunately that's all the time that I have for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you really want to see more of these makeup tutorial and get ready with me videos. I definitely don't mind making them for you guys. Just comment down below if you guys want me to continue to do that. So with that being said, if you are interested in this gorgeous wig that I have on, honey, I will leave the link down below so that way you can purchase your own. Yes, and I will also leave the link so that way you can check out the review that I already have for this Bobbi Boss Xenon wig, because she's all that. So don't be a stranger to my social media outlets, my Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. I will leave all that information down in the description box, as well as right here on the screen. So don't forget to check that out. And as usual, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Okay, come on now. Hello. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that bell that's right next to it, so that way every time when I upload these videos, you can get a notification to go check it out. So as always, it's always been a pleasure rocking out with you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video.